Hi everyone, this is Malika from Techno Study. Today I'm very excited to introduce our data scientist Halit. He's joining our session to give all of us a more information, broad experience about data science and AI, artificial intelligence in general. All right. Hi Halit, welcome to our session.
Oh, thank you.
So can you first of all, of course, introduce yourself and tell us about your data science experience?
Okay, yeah, I'm Halit Vural. I'm an AI engineer and data science scientist at the same time, holding a PhD in machine learning,
Oh,
which is a part of AI. My interest in data science started long years ago, 2000, millennium starts. And during my undergraduate degree, I learned about artificial neurons and how they calculate decisions. Because of the excitement of AI, I decided to extend my knowledge in this field during my master's studies. And I learned about data mining. Uh, Data
mm-hmm.
science was not popular those days. It was called data mining. So I learned about decision trees and how to construct a tree and so on. Later on, I started my PhD doing research in bioinformatics, and I studied cancer genomics, which is a big data, and we have to use computers to process the data. I studied microarray gene expression chips for cancer classification, and we analyzed the data from around the world, about 20 of them, using machine learning models and Java code. I analyzed high dimensional data using MATLAB and other tools. Those days, data science arose and became popular in business intelligence business area. I reported 15 of the microarray chips alongside with different machine learning algorithms, and I reported them in my thesis. I used machine learning tools. Later on, I continued developing my knowledge in different AI models like deep learning and natural language processing. And I finished my research and uh, uh, started working in industry in this industry. And nowadays I'm working on NLP models, natural language processing models, which is a part of AI. But data scientists use NLP very much to get insight and get meaning from, uh, let's say, consumer comments, commentatory data, and others. So nowadays I'm working on like natural language processing models to answer some business problems.
Wow, what an experience.
Thank you.
You walked me through 20, more than 20 years in the past. So great. Now, when you're talking about your journey, you've mentioned a lot of times the AI. And as a data scientist, as an AI engineer, can you explain us what does artificial intelligence mean? Because we've been hearing this AI word
Yeah.
so much lately, and we think that we understand. I think everyone has an idea of an AI, but as an AI, like intelligence engineer yourself, just explain us.
To be simple, intelligence is the power of um, getting insight from what's happening, what will happen next. So if somebody is intelligent, he can figure out what will happen in next step. So this is kind of intelligence definition. If we put this into a machine, it becomes an artificial intelligence, not a human intelligence. It becomes an artificial power that can be put into machines. So AI can be defined as a field of computer science that focuses on development of intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. So computers imitate human intelligence. That's called AI, artificial intelligence. They are designed to analyze data, learn from patterns from daily life data, and experiences of human and make decisions and solve problems to define the next step of the consequences. And it mimics human cognitive abilities, if we can say. Yeah, these systems can employ techniques such as machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics to process and interpret vast amounts of data that human cannot. I processed microarray chips using machines, which I could not do it myself.
Oh, sounds interesting and probably scary at the same time. All right. Okay. Here's the thing. In 2023, data science became one of the most popular career in the United States. And I believe also there was like data science wave across the world. And also, mm, again, the salaries became like, pretty much high this year because, and also USA and United States experiencing really high demand for data scientists. Can you also, like, as you defined AI, can you also briefly explain us what is data science, in a simple words?
Yeah, okay. Data science and AI are like brothers and sisters, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Data science can be defined as interdisciplinary field that combines scientific methods, processes, methodologies, algorithms, we say, and
Okay.
systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data like videos, text, comments. Data scientists utilize various techniques such as statistical analysis, machine learning, which is a part of AI, data mining, and data visualization to uncover meaningful patterns, trends, and correlations within large and complex data sets, complex data. So data science plays a crucial role in transforming raw data into valuable information that can drive business strategies, improve products and services, and support decision-making process. It also involves ethical issues too. AI doesn't cover, uh, and they are living together, helping, supporting each other, AI and data science.
Oh, what is the relation between them, between AI and data science?
Data science and artificial intelligence are closely interconnected and complementary fields. While they have distinct focuses, they often overlap on each other and leverage each other's tasks, principles, and techniques. Data science is primarily concerned with extracting insights and knowledge information from data using mathematical, statistical, and analytical methods. Data scientists work on tasks such as data cleaning, data wrangling, and exploratory data analysis. And also they work on feature engineering and building predictive models using AI tools. Their goal is to understand the data, uncover patterns, and derive meaningful insights to support decision-making process. On the other side, artificial
Mm-hmm.
intelligence is a broader field that encompasses the development of intelligent systems that can perform tasks requiring human-like intelligence. AI systems.
Speaking of, okay, sorry for interrupting. Here, I'm not a data science person, so sometimes it might be really, really, challenging for me to follow everything. You're the scientist, so to understand it better, I would like to ask, like, AI. We're talking about AI tools, and give an example of ChatGPT, one of the most popular AI tools nowadays. What is this relation between ChatGPT and data science?
All right, okay. ChatGPT is the product of AI.
Yes. Okay.
So it's built upon AI methodologies like coding and NLP, uh,
Mm-hmm.
but that can be used in data science as a tool. So
Oh,
data scientists can use ChatGPT or GPT-4 to make her own work done by a machine,
all
like
right.
extracting information from available data.
Where does ChatGPT get its data? So is it everything is implemented into it or
Yes, yes, both. Yeah, ChatGPT or we call them large language models, LLMs.
okay, okay.
LLMs use the available data from internet mostly because
Mhm.
internet has this capacity, and we human load this data onto internet. So this data is from our own intention. We loaded this data onto internet. So like LLM uses this data to make some rules out of it, to make decisions. So LLM studies the data with AI methodologies, programming methodologies, NLP methodologies. This is AI science, and makes up some new rules out of our own human data. It
Great.
has some brain, it has some memory, which knows the relation between the data, between different parts of the data.
Oh,
So
okay.
when we ask one part, it answers according to its formulation of this data. When we ask something about our own data, our own life, which is on internet already, so it answers according to this available data. So whatever it has inside ChatGPT, we uploaded it onto internet. If
Okay.
it's bad, it is our bad. If it's good, it is our good.
So there is no blaming in ChatGPT, you're
On
saying.
machine.
Great.
There's no blaming on
Okay.
machine.
So basically, who builds that kind of tools like the ChatGPT or any other AI tool? Is it built by data scientists then?
In AI industry, AI
Yeah.
systems are built by a collaborative effort involving various professionals, including data scientists. Data scientists play a crucial role in developing AI models and systems,
Mm-hmm.
but they are not the sole of builders of AI. They
Mm-hmm.
are the users. The process of building AI involves interdisciplinary teams comprising data scientists, machine learning engineers like me,
Mm-hmm.
software developers, domain experts, and other many specialists. Data scientists bring their expertise in understanding data, applying
Mm-hmm.
statistical and analytical techniques, and designing effective machine learning models. They are responsible for data collection, pre-process, feature engineer, and model development. Uh, but it is built by AI engineers.
All right.
Uh, ChatGPT, LLM, large language models are built by AI engineers, but effectively used by data scientists.
All right. Okay, here's another question just stuck up in my mind. So you said mm, it is built, yeah, it is built by AI engineers and data scientists use a lot these tools, like, AI tools. So we've been, we are online school, right? Which we are the school which actually teaches all this, data science and software testing programs. And our students are basically, scared with all these new tools coming up. They think we've been learning so much, we've been putting so much investment, we're investing time and money and resources to learn everything. And what if any other tool will just take our jobs? Like, what if we will not be in demand in the future? And does this really mean, you said data science, you use ChatGPT. Does this mean that tools like such as ChatGPT can actually overtake like jobs of our software testers or data scientists? Is this really happening?
While the field of data science is constantly evolving, it is unlikely that the work of data scientists is at immediate risk of becoming obsolete. In fact,
Mm-hmm.
the demand for skilled data scientists continues to grow. as organizations recognize the value of data-driven decisions making and AI technologies evolving, new tools are appearing. Not all companies in the world use AI nowadays, and
Mm-hmm.
they will start using all of them. Has have all of them have to use AI in some day, and they will need people with data science experience, data science expertise. When they start using AI, technological systems more than before, the need for data scientists will increase. However, it
Okay.
is important to acknowledge that certain aspects of a data scientist's work may change due to advancements in AI and automation, but it will be an increasing demand in this sector.
Wow. So you're saying to make the work very helpful, like, to make those tools very usable and very helpful and sophisticated, we still need group of data scientists or any other engineers that will put all that work into it, because that's about code, right? That's about machine learning, and who does it? Still, like, we require people. And as of now, of course, we cannot predict the future, but as of now, what we see is if we want to develop tools such as ChatGPT that will work fast and give like results in a very short period of time and can be used by large companies where they don't have to, they can automate everything. You're still saying to put that work to make it happen, we still need talented and skilled
Exactly.
engineers and software specialists and
Exactly.
data scientists, of course, and who will be doing all that work. All right. So again, with ChatGPT, we were reminded again that the robot feature, when robots will come and take over our planet. So we've already talked about that, data science work is not at risk actually, because, they still have to put a lot of work into improvement of AI tools. But of course, as of now, but of course, with this kind of development, we've also heard some experts speaking. If the industry, AI industry, will move in this direction very fast as it is going now, there still might be, some risk of, you know, machines overtaking human jobs. What can you talk about? Like, what can you say about it, and how software specialists or any people, any team of engineers who are working in the IT industry, how they should prepare themselves for it?
With the increasing use of AI tools and technologies, the specialist, if it's a software developer, if it's a data science, whoever he is, she is, may experience a shift in their responsibilities.
Mm-hmm.
Routine and repetitive tasks such as data cleaning in data science, data cleaning and pre-processing, testing in software development tasks may be automated by some extent by a robot or by a machine. This automation can free up time for the expert to focus on more complex and strategic tasks such as designing and optimizing their work, interpreting results, and providing valuable insights to drive business strategies and identify new opportunities. So it doesn't mean they will be dismissed, but their expertise will shift to some kind of formulation for some format with a work with collaborative approach with some machine, some robot.
Wow. So, as a data scientist yourself, also machine learning expert, right? So you're saying it is still relevant. Oh, sorry, it's still relevant to learn data science and of course in particular AI,
Exactly.
artificial intelligence, and then it's still possible and crucial to build a career in this field. Can you talk
Exactly.
about more about this? Or what would be a suggestion to people who are thinking, we have so many tools now. Do I really need to become data scientist after, after 2023?
Yes. Uh, the concern about job displacement due to AI and automation is valid. It will happen as these
Mm-hmm.
technologies have the potential to transform various industries into some other format. While
Mm-hmm.
it that certain jobs may become obsolete or automated, it is important to note that AI also creates new opportunities and roles. To
Yes.
prepare for the AI era and mitigate the impact on your expertise, we have to embrace a mindset of lifelong learning, stay updated with latest advancement in technology, and acquire new skills that complement emerging AI technologies. This could involve taking courses, attending workshops, or participate online learning platforms. All right. So cultivate a willingness to adapt and embrace change. We have to develop a growth mindset that allows us to quickly learn and apply new skills as technology evolves. Being flexible
Yes.
and adaptable will make it easier to transition into new roles and industries. I'm sorry, I have to take this.
Of course.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah,
No
okay.
problem. You're good.
We can
All
continue.
right.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
continuous learning and adaptability will give us new opportunities, and high chance of success. And also, everyone should consider developing domain expertise. We have to focus on developing deep expertise in specific domains or specific industries. AI and automation often work in collaboration with human experts. So having specialized knowledge in a particular field can make person valuable in design, implementing, and optimizing AI systems. These systems needs maintenance. They cannot populate themselves, not yet, not yet. they
Okay.
cannot they cannot build up new AI systems, and
Mm-hmm.
they need somebody as a human to maintain their existence. They will malfunction, they will crash at some point, and a human should should maintain them to work properly and continue working. But
Okay.
if you say someday they will be capable of maintaining themselves already, uh, they don't have a chance of creativity or innovation. For example, ChatGPT just mimicking our intelligence. These intelligent machines are mimicking human intelligence. They are as intelligent as we are because they have the data from us. They were trained from our own life experiences on internet, so
Wow.
they cannot create new things. Creativity, yes, the formulation of creativity is not as good as a human in the machine. So innovation, as AI technology excels at automating repetitive tasks, it still lacks the creative and innovative thinking that humans possess yet. So we nurture and enhance our creativity, critical thinking, and problem solving, and communication skills with human and robots will give us um, more power than the robots or more power than the machines.
Yes, I just remembered. So where I've been attending an AI session of an AI expert, and I just remembered his sentence saying that how no matter how great product AI is, like, provides you in terms of, letters, I don't know, books, but it will never be able to produce something new, such as music, right? Or it will not be able to create something that only human beings are able to create. And that it was like way, years ago, probably 10 years ago. But even now, you're repeating, you're saying the same thing, which gives me hope that, human element is always important. All right. Okay. Mr. Halit, you mentioned about certain jobs that really are at risk. If you remember, can you like give some examples of that? Because as a school that trains, certain IT specialists, I want to make sure our students are not in that, circle of risk. What kind of jobs? You said, some certain jobs may really be, removed in the future.
Some job roles may indeed undergo a transformation or become less prevalent due to
Mm-hmm.
automation. We mentioned automation
Okay.
in robots, yeah, like manual labor jobs. Those jobs involving repetitive and physically demanding tasks, such as
Mm-hmm.
assembly line work, may
Yes.
see a decline as robots and automation systems can perform better than human. These
All
tasks
right.
more efficiently and consistently done by robots. So we will not need human to do manual labor jobs anymore.
All right. What about customer service?
Customer support or customer call centers nowadays, yeah, like with LLM models, large language models like ChatGPT, one of them. They are AI powered and they can answer customers as a virtual assistant. So they can handle routine customer inquiries and
Mm-hmm.
provide basic support. And they potentially reduce the need for some customer support role in call centers. So robots will do customer support and call center assistance in future.
Yeah, I think we are halfway there because nowadays, if you call any bank, they first um, offer you, go through, virtual assistant, and then if there's something that they cannot handle, then we are connected to customer representative. Oh, wow, sounds good. And here's the last question. I think every student or potential student who wants to become data scientist, they're having this question in their mind. All right, it's great. Yeah, now I really have intention and dream to become a data scientist, but according to your experience, you've been in this field for more than like for almost 25 years. And it might seem that it is easy for you, to make these assumptions, to say all these things because you are really experienced in this. But what about people who don't have any data science background? Is it too late for them to join school and like
I don't I
pursue
don't
this
think
career?
I don't think it's late because it's a very highly defined path, career
Mm-hmm.
path. They can reach any resources nowadays. And if they consider reading, there are tons of books they can read about data science or some career path in data science or AI.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, tons of boot camps they can join. They can start with a boot camp if they like, if they are a kinesthetic learner.
Especially techno
I
study.
Techno study is one of them. Yeah, one of them. They can join a boot camp or they can start reading a book everywhere. Even they can ask ChatGPT what to do next as a data scientist learner. So they can start learning data science, which is not far from mathematics or statistics. In NLP or ChatGPT kind of LLM tools, we use very simple rules that can be learned by anyone. It's plus and minuses, mathematics, simple mathematics. They can easily handle with their high high school diploma, they can jump into data science directly, not waiting for college to finish or some other special school to finish. So they can jump into the data science, and they will find their place. And the community is growing every day, and they will embrace them as new data scientists, new fresh blood for data science area, data science industry. So I strongly suggest anyone, if they are interested in robots, in automation or data science, I strongly suggest them to start today, not waiting for tomorrow.
Wow. So if I want to become a data science, let's say I was convinced with your, with your report, it really attracts me now, and I want to start data science as soon as possible. Our course is scheduled for 6 months, and it's very intense. It's at least 5 days a week, every day. This is not easy, we understand, but is it really possible? So after 7 months, can I say that I am ready to go and start working as a data scientist?
It depends on the person.
You have 3 reminders
Yes,
on your list.
okay,
Sorry,
so
my
all right.
AI tool is speaking.
Okay, okay. It depends on the person, actually. We cannot generalize everyone should study data science. First of all, the person should have an interest in data science, or should have an interest in mathematical solutions, statistics, or some like um, you know, computerized, automated systems. So if they have interest, I'm sure they will learn in a short time. It is question and answer mode. If the brain asks questions about data science and they have eager to learn data science, they can have this ability in 6 months. It's a long period of time, and they can learn many things in data science. Data science is a very large area. I can count 40 different areas in data science. They can study one of them, which can be managed to learn in 2 months, not 6 months. So 6 months is a very long period of time to learn many things in data science. But you don't have to do many things. You just do one thing and you become an expert, and everyone will follow you, or many companies will want to hire you because you know how to do it. So in 2 months, you can learn one part of data science, one methodology, very effectively, expert at some level, not expert level, but at some level, you can start your projects and you can solve data science problems with your methodology, which you've learned in 2 months. So you and an expert, after 6 months, you have an expertise in this one area, and you can be hired very easily.
Wow. Yeah, sounds promising. Yeah, sounds really promising. And thank you for this great report. Thank you for all this knowledge that you shared with us. Yeah, I believe this would be a great opportunity for anyone seeking career in data science or IT industry as a whole, because again, with all this, technology rising and improving, it's clear that we need good skilled professionals. And can we, Mr. Halit, can we conclude in this way today, just to make sure that future data scientists or current data science, they don't hate GPT, right? So can we say that ChatGPT is not a threat, but a friend to data scientists?
Exactly.
Wow.
Yes. ChatGPT or LLM models are not threats to humankind. They are tools waiting for you to use them.
Wow. Great.
So new jobs appear after ChatGPT or LLM tools. New jobs appeared, like prompt engineering.
Yeah.
Not everybody can use these tools. If you are become a skillful expert using these tools, you can produce new products out of them using these tools, and you will far beyond other people. I mean, on advanced developed beyond other people. So you will be in the front of this industry. So you can have a good job and enjoyable life.
Wow.
New jobs appear after these LLM tools developed, like AI trainer. So somebody should train them. They are not only ChatGPT. There are many tools
Yes.
which are waiting for human to help them learn. AI trainer job appeared.
Yes.
So some company may hire you because you know how to train them, how to train a model, how to train this AI robot. This is another job appeared newly, and
Yes.
content curators and others. There are tens of jobs appeared automatically after ChatGPT LLM tools. So,
Wow.
but they are lack of people. They need people who can do these jobs, experts. So starting using these tools, you can develop your skill in some AI technology, and you make your own job definition.
Great. Sounds amazing. And as we say, it's always a good opportunity to learn something new, and there is always room for improvement. So, and for a hardworking person, there is always a job opportunity, right? All
Exactly,
right.
yes.
Mr. Halit, thank you so much for your time today. I think this information will be crucial to our viewers, and I'm really, really happy to see you today, and I hope we will do this session again in the future.
My
All
pleasure.
right.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you so much. Have a great day.